Remember the Nokia C1 of 2010? Well, Nokia just launched a refreshed version of the device with the same name, and as expected, it's a budget smartphone that packs some basic features. At a price of 18,000 naira, does this smartphone deliver? Well, we'll get to that in a bit, but before we go on, we're going to be giving away this device to one lucky winner, so make sure you're subscribed and look out for instructions in the video. Now to the specs. It comes with a 5.45-inch display with 480 by 960 pixels resolution, which is quite good compared to other smartphones in the same price range. Colors are relatively okay when watching videos, but you shouldn't expect anything top-notch as in high-end smartphones. On the body of the device, you have the Google Assistant button on the left side, the volume rocker and power button on the right, the selfie camera at the top, and a single camera and speaker grill at the back. The earphone jack sits at the top while the bottom houses the USB port. There's a back cover which protects the removable battery, SIM tray, and micro SD slot. Moving on to the camera, it's a 5-megapixel camera with flash on the back and the front. No surprise here because, we're talking budget friendly. The main takeaway is that you need good lighting to make the most of this camera. With few apps installed, the device runs smoothly, and this is all thanks to the Android Go edition, which is like a condensed version of Android designed to run on entry-level smartphones. Coupled with that is 16 gig of internal storage and 1 gig of RAM, which is not exactly a lot, but should work to run basic tasks like browsing through WhatsApp, Facebook calls, and texts. Then we have the battery at 2500 mAh. From the capacity, you already know it's not a lot, and for me, it lasted about 20 hours on minimal use and about 4 hours to get a full charge. So it's safe to say that this device is perfect as a backup device, especially if you're a heavy user of smartphones. Like I said at the beginning of this video, we'll be giving out this device. So to enter for this giveaway, please follow the instructions in the description box. And make sure you're subscribed to our channel so you don't miss out on more videos like this. See you next time.